Hello guys, it's me User1313. Today I was gonna make a sound test of this HP Envy 16. Alright guys, of course I was gonna make it in 50%, 75% to 100% just to make sure. This is actually a really good computer on sound quality. It's Beats Audio. Alright, let's not waste time. Let's do the test. There you go, 50%.
Summer night, I don't care, hand on the wheel, driving drunk, I'm doing my thing, rolling the mid beside it now, living my life, getting out train.
That was 50%, and I forgot to mention, guys, this computer actually comes with like 7 speakers right here in front. As you can see, it comes with 4 speakers right here. As you can, that one is one, and this one is another one, and right there where you see the Beats logo is actually another speaker. I mean, like 7 speakers on this, and it sounds amazing. Alright, let's pick it up a little bit to 75. Alright, we're in, and here you go.
This is what I want, looking ahead, no turning back. People told me slow my roll, I'm screaming out, fuck that. I'm screaming out, fuck that. I'm screaming out, fuck that, fuck that, fuck that, fuck that, fuck that.
I'm impressed. This computer is actually really nice. Alright, let's pick it up. It's all the volume. You can see 100%. Here we go. Alright.
Tell me what you know about dreaming, dreaming. You don't really know about nothing, nothing. Tell me what you know about the night terrors every night.
Well, this computer is really loud. Compared to others that just come with 4 speakers, this is a computer that you will really want to want. Alright guys, see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.